Alright guys, Nick here again with BoarMasters. Our final step, once we put out all of our paste, it don't matter what order you do this in, but we usually pour our fryer oil last, or our oils or liquids, just because it's messy. That's when things get messy and you want to be done touching the barrel. You want to have your game cam hung and everything, just in case it splashes on you or anything. You want to keep this area as clean as possible until the very end. So we've got a product called Conviction. It's our Conviction series, Concentrated Conviction. And what it is it's a little 4-ounce bottle, but this bottle packs a punch. This is our concentrated product. That mainly what derived this product was when we were shipping a lot of products to Canada. In order to get shipping from the States to Canada, it's super expensive to do the sprays. So we had a lot of our outfitters and our customers that wanted to buy the concentrated products and make their own. So they're not paying to ship the oils across the US. So we started selling them just the concentrates and letting them make their own sprays. You could take just a few squirts of this in a gallon or a 5-gallon jug, and you can buy canola oil or any of your cooking oils and make your own sprays. So this little $20 bottle will do 20 to 30 gallons of product or sprays, 32-ounce sprays, where you know, it's $20 just for the 32-ounce spray that we sell. So anyways, cool little product that you can just kind of do it yourself. We got a lot of people that don't like to do it yourselves, so we offer the product already pre-mixed. A lot of uses for this product, but it is just a lure. It's not a flavored product, it's solely an attractant. So this particular time we're using cherry. It's a really strong cherry formula, and we've got a bucket of fryer oil here, which is used. A lot of times you can get your used fryer oils for nothing. You don't have to go buy them, and you hit your mom and pop restaurants and you can get their leftover fryer oil. So what we'll do is we'll take this product here, and it's got a little squirt top lid on it, and we'll just do 2 squirts. That's all you need in this product. Just take 2 squirts, and that'll treat that whole 5-gallon jug and just really give you a really strong attractant. And you do that for each jug, you'll get several. You'll get up to 20 to 30 gallons. When we initially set baits like this one, a lot of times I'll do at least half the bottle. So I'll mix it stronger than normal when I set baits. After that, I dial way back. Once you have bears hitting, a lot of your commercial attractants you can dial back and not, you know, you don't need to just keep buying and buying and buying. Get the bears there, get them comfortable with the bait, and then just respray every time you come in. Dump a little bit of oil with a little bit of the Conviction, and that's really all you need, just so they can keep spreading scent and keep bringing more bears. When we pour this product, we'll take this here, and we'll dump this all in front of the barrel and all over the barrel, so the bears will get that on their paws, and then they track it all over, leaving a wagon wheel effect. So there's a trail going that way, there's a trail going that way. Every trail and every bear is a new highway for another bear. When that bear comes across that scent, they want to follow that trail to see where that scent's coming from. So it's really important to get the track and the scent out there, and then also they love fryer oil too. So it's just another additive to your bait. Oh, flavors. We've got this product in cherry, blueberry, caramel, anise. We've got a castor formula. We've got 2 new flavors are going to hit the market next year that are over the top. We'll watch the website for those, or the Facebook page. The website's BoarMasters.com. Facebook is BoarMasters, and Instagram is BoarMasters. I can get it up on the lid too. They like to come and lick it off the lid. We'll scatter this all around here. That's why I said you want to do this last. Kind of makes them there. I usually just go along and spray a lot of the trees, especially your bigger trees. We'll just smear that on this tree. We'll just do 2 squirts. Just sprinkle in a little bit.